Don Bosco Varigati.
Hello friends, Don Bosco Varigati, a Center for Career Guidance, Training and Job Placement. ISRO has come up with a one-day program workshop for deep learning for ecological studies. So I'm going to narrate about the procedure for registration. You find the Government of India, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Indian Space Research Organization, organizes EduSet news. You find here deep learning for ecological studies, scheduled from November 27, 2024. So if you click here, you find the registration. So log and register, you find your names as for your 10th standard certificate, email, confirmation email, password, and you find select course, personal details, educational details, professional documents, and review. After that, you do find here details of the course brochure. When we click here, you find the workshop for deep learning for ecological studies organized by Indian Institute of Remote uh, Sensing, part of ISRO. So, how the certificate about the course, you find here the course, and you also find here the objective of the course. So, what is the main objective? It is especially for students familiarize the academicians and researchers about utility of deep learning in ecological studies. So the target participant is the course is designed for the researchers and students, uh, at least a graduate, engaged in the field of ecology and vegetation science and environmental studies, geospatial and technology and modeling. Students can participate. No fees. Course fees is a free course registration. You find here the link, the program reception, and also the important links are given here. There is a limited number of seats. Registration will be done first come, first serve basis. Also, you find here how the research program is done by Indian Institute of Remote Sensing Outreach Program. Started 2007 with 12 universities institutions, has now grown substantially to 3,700 plus. The beneficiaries of the programs may be included from state to central government and all the departments and NGOs. So I wish students, those who are graduate and interested in deep learning for ecological studies, can make use of this opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity. We wish you all the best. Thank you.